Hello, I'm in a 2014 Dodge Ram 1500, and today I'm going to show you how to reset your trip mileage counts. So first you'll want to start the vehicle. This one's a push start. And then just wait a moment for everything to load. At which point we're going to be using these arrows to toggle between all the various options, up and down primarily, and then we'll use this one in a moment. So I'm just gonna keep clicking down until we get to trip A. So I'll just keep clicking through. Here's trip A now. So now as it shows, press right to reset all, which would be this one here. So we'll do that. So I'm holding it down. That's it. It auto saves. So nothing else you need to do. And same thing, you can do the same process for trip B if you choose. But otherwise, I hope this was helpful and hope you have a wonderful day.